Hello children, welcome to Science E-class. Today we are going to learn physics first lesson and the topic is heat. What is heat? Heat is one form of energy. We know we cannot see energies but can feel. So heat energy cannot be seen but we can feel by touching hot pan. We can feel it when we drink tea or coffee. Heat energy can flow from higher concentration to lower concentration. For example, when we heat one end of metal scale, the heat energy will be distributed throughout the metal scale. So we can feel the heat energy in another end of the metal scale. It proves us heat energy can flow from higher concentration to lower concentration. Next, heat energy or heat can change the state of a body. For example, when we boil water, the water gets evaporated. The heat energy makes the water into water vapor. The water vapor is the gaseous state of water. It proves us heat energy can change the state of a matter. Next, heat energy is needed for some chemical reactions. For example, endothermic reaction. Alright children, let us study the sources of heat energy. The first one is sun. Sun is the natural source of heat energy. We get heat and light from sun every day. Sun provides necessary warmth for plants and animals to live. Sun is essential for plants to prepare food. Children, you may have a question, how sun can produce heat and light? It's very simple children. Sun is made up of hydrogen atoms. Sun is not like our planet Earth. It is fully composed of hydrogen atoms. Fusion of hydrogen atoms produces heat and light. When two hydrogen atoms fuse together, they produce heat and light. It is otherwise called nuclear fusion. The next source is chemical energy or combustion. Coal, petrol, wood, candle wax, LPG, CNG, diesel and kerosene are called chemical energy.
When we burn these substances, they produce heat energy. This process by which fuels generate heat energy is known as combustion. So combustion is nothing but producing heat energy by burning substances. In combustion, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. The next source is friction. When we rub our palms for some times, their heat energy will be produced. The ancient man produced fire by friction. Due to the friction between branches of big trees, heat is generated, causing forest fire. The next source is from electricity or from electric current. When electric current flows through a conductor, heat energy is produced. For example, iron box, water heater. In this method, electrical energy is converted into heat energy or electrical energy changed into heat energy. Here, energy conversion method is used. Children, in science there is a law called law of conservation of energy. It tells us we cannot produce or we cannot destroy any energy, but we can convert one form of energy into another form. You see, in combustion, chemical energy is changed into heat energy. The same way in friction, the mechanical energy of our hand is converted into heat energy when we rub. The next, the electricity or electrical energy is changed into heat energy in our iron box. Heat is one form of energy, no. We cannot produce heat without another form of energy. Same way in bulbs, the electric energy is converted into light energy. In speakers, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. In fan, the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. The another example is our food. Our food is nothing but chemical energy. When we eat food, that goes inside our stomach and that will be digested. Finally, the food reaches the cells in the form of glucose. It is chemical energy. This glucose or chemical energy is combusted inside the cell and heat energy will be produced. So, food gives us energy. With the help of that energy, we can do many activities. Next, conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Conductors are materials. They transfer heat energy or they allow heat energy to get transferred from one end to another. For example, silver spoon, metal scale, bill pin, iron rod. They are very good conductors of heat energy.